Let's have a quick look at the possessive pronouns in Irish. What are the possessive pronouns? These are the words for my, your, his, her, our, your, and their. Here we have them on the right. Mo, the, a, or, were, or ver in Munster, and a. Now notice that the word for his, her, and their is the same. A. So we'll need to be able to distinguish whether we're talking about his house, her house, or their house. Let's see how we would do that. If a word begins with a consonant, like tach, a house, tach, the words following my, your, and his will all undergo a sound change. They will be lenited. We'll mark that in writing by putting the letter H into the second part of the word, second position of the word. And the t sound, the tach sound, changes to a ha. Mohach, my house. Dahach, ahach, his house. But there's no sound change for her house. So that's how we distinguish it. Atach. Mahach, dahach, ahach, atach. And then for our, yours, and their, your, and their, we get the other sound change system. The letter in front eclipses. Our dach, were dach, adach. Our house, your house, their house. So we can easily distinguish between his house, ahach, her house, atach, and their house, adach. Now, if a word begins with a vowel, let's see what happens. For my, your, and his, there's no change at all. Mantine, my aunt. Dantine, a auntie. We need to distinguish between his aunt and her aunt, however, so we're going to put a soft H sound before aunt for her. A auntie, her aunt. Again, we have eclipses for the plural ones. Or nantine, were nantine, a nantine. Our aunt, your aunt, their aunt. Here are some examples. Tá daintín in my car. Your aunt is in my car. After my, we have lenition, my car. An bhfuil madra I do ghorgin. Is the dog in your garden? Gorgin, the ghorgin. Tá a haintín agus a huncle in Galia. Her aunt and her uncle are in Galway. Now, if it was his aunt and his uncle, it would be tá a auntín agus a uncle in Galia. Tá a gut fin gran. Their cat is under the tree. Let's look at how we say in his, in her, and in their. So in is I and a for his. I, a, we have lenition, I, a, hach. Kind of tricky to say that. I, a, hach. So we put an N in the middle there. In a hach, in his house. In a tach, in her house. In a dach, in their house. Here's an example of why knowing the possessive pronouns is so important in Irish. Notice how we say I live in English. It's very simple. I live in Galway. But in Irish, what we actually say is I am in my living or I'm in my residence in Galway. We use the word coney. Tá me in my coney in Galia. So we're talking about my something, my residence. Coney will get a shavu here. Mahoney. Call to the coney. Where are you in your living? Tá sé in a coney isasana. He is in his living in England. He lives in England. Níl she in a coney isasana. She's not living in England. She doesn't live in England. Tá she gonna goni I Gurkey. And the eclipses for the plural one. They are in their living in Cork. It happens quite a lot in Irish, so it's really useful to know these quite well. I live, as we saw, is Tome imachoni. I'm in my living. If you wanted to say I'm standing, in Irish what we actually say is I'm in my standing. Tome imahasa. Tome imahi. I'm in my sitting. Tome imarushacht. I'm in my wakefulness, you could say. I'm awake. Tome imachola. I'm in my sleep. I'm asleep. And notice again, after my here, mo, we have lenition on all of the words following it. Another nice place where we get to use this is when we want to say that I am something. One way of saying this in Irish, like I am a student, I am a doctor, I am a farmer, is to say I am in my student. That means I am a student. Mock Lane is a student. I am in my student. Tome ima wach lane. Now, if it's in Munster Irish, you'll hear it'll sound more like a V there. Tome ima wach lane. And will to the wountor. Are you in your teacher? Are you a teacher? Will to the wountor. Tasha in a doctor. He is in his doctor. He is a doctor. Tashi in a doctor. So keep the D sound for her. Doctor. And finally, one more example. If you want to say you are a member of a club, in Irish we say, I am in my member of whatever club it is. The word for member is ball. Táme ima wall den club soccer. I am in my member of the soccer club. In Munster that will sound like Táme ima wall den club soccer. An bhfuil tú do bháil den club golf? Are you in your member of the golf club? Are you a member of the golf club? Tá sé ina bháil den club leabhar. He's a member of the book club. Tá sí ina báil den club seoltóireachta. Tá siad ina muil den chumann drámaíochta. They're in their members. So we've buil anseo because it's members. And the urdu, the eclipses because they're members, the plural. They're in their members of the of the drama club. Agus sin é, and that's it. Tá sé agad anois. Well, even if you haven't got it quite yet, just watch this video a couple of times and you certainly will.